Hey, this is Ken, and I'm going to quickly show you how to delete your browser cache in any browser within 5 seconds. And we're going to get into this right now. So, for an example, I have Firefox open, and what we want to do is we want to press Control, Shift, and Delete. That'll immediately bring up the Clear Browsing Data dialog box. Make sure it's set to everything, and we're going to hit Clear. Now, for another example, I have Edge, same thing, Control, Shift, and Delete. You'll see the Delete browser browsing data dialog box is open. Make sure it's set to all time, Clear now. And finally, we have Chrome. Same thing, Control, Shift, and now Delete. And the dialog box opens to delete browsing data. Make sure it's set to all time and delete data. Now, if this works for you or you have any issues, please leave a comment and thank you. Talk to you soon.